120 GB, Samsung 840 series solid-state drive, SSD, with desktop and notebook installation kit 120 SATA_6_0_GB 2.5-inch MZ7TD 120 kW. Enables you to boot up your computer in as little as 15 seconds. Energy efficient, improves battery life by up to 50 minutes. Solid-state design provides greater shock protection for data, and brushed metal case blocks dust and corrosion. Worry-free data security with ease. 256-bit full disk encryption. Superior multitasking performance with 4th generation 3-core Samsung MDX controller included. Desktop and notebook upgrade kit provides everything you need to install and maintain your drive. 100% genuine Samsung components from the #1 memory manufacturer in the world, backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Capacity: 120 GB. Product description: upgrading your PC with a Samsung 840 SSD is the most economical way to breathe new life into an aging PC. The 840 reads, writes and multitasks at incredible speeds, enhancing boot up speed, application loading and multitasking performance. It's more than an upgrade, it's a complete transformation of your PC. From the manufacturer, upgrading your PC with a Samsung 840 SSD is an economical way to breathe new life into an aging PC. The 840 reads, writes and multitasks at incredible speeds, enhancing boot up PC application loading and multitasking performance. No moving parts means no hard drive spin-ups, no noise and superior data protection. This version of the 840 series SSD has a capacity of 120 GB and comes with a complete installation kit for easy data migration and setup. Boots up PC, downloads files and performs everyday computer tasks more quickly than typical hard disk drives. View larger. Fast performance for downloads, gaming and more with Samsung's 840 series SSD. Everyday tasks on your desktop or laptop PC can become faster and smoother. This SSD provides exceptional read-write and multitasking speeds, allowing you to run applications quickly, download graphics, play memory-intensive computer games and access all your files with less waiting. In addition, the 840 series SSD enables your PC to boot up in as little as 10 seconds. Engineered for reliability to keep data secure to ensure exceptional quality and reliability, the 840 series SSD was designed and built completely in-house using advanced memory technology and 100% genuine Samsung components. Additionally, the 840 series SSD has no moving parts, which means no hard drive spin-ups, no noise and superior data protection. The SSD also offers ease 256-bit full disk encryption for worry-free data security. Thin, lightweight design and low battery consumption at only 7 mm thick and weighing just 2 ounces. The 840 series SSD has a sleek, lightweight design that can make your laptop lighter to carry. And because it contains no moving parts and features an ultra-efficient design, the 840 consumes little battery power, letting you enjoy up to 50 minutes more laptop battery life than a standard hard disk drive, HDD, or solid-state drive, SSD. It also supports device sleep mode for Microsoft Windows 8 and Haswell chipsets, which helps reduce overall power consumption. Installation kit for easy setup and data transfer included with the 840 series SSD is an installation kit that contains SATA data and power cables, screws, a 2.5 to 3.5 inch adapter bracket and a SATA to USB adapter cable. The kit also contains a mounting spacer, so its slim 7mm profile will work in both slim ultrabook designs or laptops with traditional full-height 9.5mm drive bays. Samsung's smart data migration software is also included to make it safe and easy to migrate your data and operating system from your existing drive to the 840 series SSD. Product and warranty information: this SSD has a usable capacity of 120 GB, offers 256 MB of Samsung DDR2 SDRAM cache memory and has a SATA 6B/S interface that is compatible with SATA 3GB/S and SATA 1.5 GB/S. It measures 7.00 by 69.85 by 100.00 mm, HXWXD, and weighs just 62.5 grams. The 840 series SSD is backed by a 3-year warranty. What's in the box? 840 series SSD. C. Samsung Smart Data Migration Software. Samsung SSD Magician Software. Manual CDC SATA data and power cables, screws, 2.5 inch to 3.5 inch adapter bracket, SATA to USB adapter cable, mounting spacer and quick user manual. Samsung 840 series 120 GB SSD. Full kit, at a glance. Boot up your PC in as little as 10 seconds allows you to breathe new life into an aging PC, enhancing boot speeds and application performance. Energy efficient design for up to 50 minutes longer battery life. Ease 256-bit full disk encryption for ultimate data security. Comes with complete desktop and notebook PC installation kit. 3-year limited warranty. Samsung 840 series solid state drives, capacity 120 GB, 250 GB, 500 GB drive only. MZ7TD 120BW, MZ7TD 250BW, MZ7TD 500BW drive and installation kit. MZ7TD 120kW, MZ7TD 250kW, MZ7TD 500kW. Type of drive: solid state drive, SSD. Form factor: 2.5 inch, reduced 7mm thickness for use with ultraportables and netbooks, for use with desktop and laptop PCs, including ultraportables and netbooks. Interface: SATA 6-bit/S, backwards compatible with SATA 3-bit/S and SATA 1.5-bit/S. Random read speeds: 86K IOPS, 96K IOPS, 98K IOPS. Sequential read/write speeds: 530 MB/s/130 MB/s, 540 MB/s/250 MB/s, 540 MB/s/330 MB/s. Controller: 3-core Samsung MDX controller. Type of NAND flash: 2xNM. Samsung toggle DDR 2.0 NAND flash memory, 400 Mbps. Type of cache: 256 MB. Samsung LPDDR2 SDRAM 512 MB. Samsung LPDDR2 SDRAM included software: Samsung Magician 4.xc. Samsung Smart Data Migration Software installation kit also includes 3.5 bracket with screws, SATA data and power cables, mounting spacer and SATA to USB adapter cable. Dimensions: 0.28 by 2.75 by 3.94 inches. HXWXD, Warranty 3-year limited up to 50 minutes longer battery life versus standard HDDs and some competitor SSDs. Installation kit also includes 3.5 bracket with screws, SATA data and power cables, mounting spacer and SATA to USB adapter cable, 4K random read, QD32. The drive improves the computer's performance noticeably. I agree with other reviewers that the documentation is lacking, which costs it a star in the rating. However, the Samsung data migration program worked flawlessly. Don't bother using the data migration and Magician programs on the disk, they are out of date. Although the programs will ask you if you want to update them after you install them, just get the latest versions from Samsung's site before you start. My 2010 Dell XPS 8100 desktop did not come with a Windows 7 disk. I had hoped to use Windows image backup from an system image I had created a couple of years ago and stored on a second HDC to have a cleaner installation with the SSD. I had created a Windows 7 repair disk at that time for the purpose of restoration in case of a problem like HD crash. However, this method fails with an error. No disk that can be used for recovering the system disk can be found. From what I can determine, Windows will not restore to a partition smaller than the one the image was made from. And my old HD was much larger than the SSD. There may be a workaround for this, but maybe it is not worth the bother as everything worked fine after the migration. BRUPDATE, since I usually wipe my computer clean and start over with a new factory image every few years, and I had not done so with my 4-plus-year-old computer, I decided to do the factory restore on the old HDC and then cloned it to the SSD. Also, after your SSD is cloned from your HDC, you cannot create a new Windows image backup file from the SSD. You get an error of not enough disk space. Even thought he target drive is plenty big enough. I had to make the Windows image backup file from the old HD. You no longer have a factory recovery partition on your SSD after the migration. So I am leaving my old HD in place in the computer, just unplugged. Since the SSD uses a 3.5-inch slot in your computer, if you had space for 2 hard drives before you still have those spaces on the motherboard. You may also want to check your computer for a couple of things that may lower the performance of the SSD. The SSD can accommodate SATA3 or SATA2C, but my motherboard only had SATA2C, which is slower, 3GB/SEC. Also, after installation, the BIOS setup should be used to set the SATA controller to AHCI mode. Mine only has ATA or RAID options. I left it in RAID. Also, trim was not supported on my computer. Look it up. You can install a SATA3 card on your PCI Express slots, but unless these slots are higher than PCIe 2.0c, you will still not get full speed on the SSD. For example, my PCIe 2.0 would give 4GB/sec, still an improvement over my 3GB SATA2. Instead of the maximum 6GB/section. When you call Samsung's helpline, you are connected promptly to a live helpful USA sounding person. They cannot help you with any questions other than those relating to their migration or Magician software, so I had to research the BIOS and Windows image backup questions myself.